Your coworker or student has missed a Teams meeting, but you want them to catch up with no problem? Just record it so they can watch it later. In this video, we'll show you how to record a meeting in Teams using Clipify, a desktop screen recorder and video editor. Create a blank project and click Capture Screen Video. We're going to capture the entire screen, but you can also record a custom area or a specific window. Clipify lets you set the dimensions, highlight the cursor, switch on or off the webcam camera, and so on. Hit Start Recording and record your Teams meeting. If there's a break during the call or you don't need some of its parts, click Pause and then resume when you want to continue. To end the recording session, click Stop. The recording is automatically added to the timeline. There are lots of ways to enhance it. You can easily add text captions, speed up parts of the footage, and even censor desired areas. To save the recording, hit Create Video and choose the format you like. Now you know how to record a Teams meeting. Download Clipify and enjoy hassle-free screencasting and video editing.